going on, guys? Back on with another piggy video, and we are going to be playing piggy, as you can see. Okay, we're playing trader. It sucks. Starting game. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to just play some, classic piggy, but remember waiting for batteries and getting out of here. Okay, no one asked. All right, so we're just gonna be playing some piggy, and yeah, find it. But if I find it, what's gonna happen? No, you can have some diarrhea. How about that? The trader has been stopped. You joking? Did we just get? Oh, I got 3 coins. I'm the only one playing. Let's go, free piggy round. Oh, wait, I'm the only one. Come on, no, hit the 2. It's really easy. Out of my face. And he left. What a loser. Yeah. Wow. Let's go! Finally, I'm piggy. Are you joking? It's literally been ages since I've been piggy. Alright. Found a fun character taking them. Alright. You have been sucked at this piggy. Players will get a head start. In the meantime, look around the room for help. Use the trap to some players, sir. Encourage players to catch them. Sadly, can't crawl. Sir. No. I got my, my mallet, my sledgehammer. Gotta give the kids a good beating, Free kill, let's go. I'm loving the free kills. AFK girl, that's what I like to see. Oh! Well, there's my chance of getting a kill. Yes, sir. You gone, girl. Oh. Okay, you're not a player. Can I even open the doors? Bruh. Yeah, I can. Okay, I can open doors. Okay. Where is everybody else? Her body's still over there. I like this character only because look at its eyes. It looks like a robot, but I have an eye. Oh crap. Okay, someone. Okay, now I actually know that someone's here. I'm about to beat their ASS. There they are. About to corner them. $10. $10 she goes around. Okay. Oh, she opened the vault. Purple vault. She is smart. Okay, so hello, ladies. Hi. Do me a favor and just, What? No way. that dumb. Oh, you gotta be joking. You gotta be joking. Oh. I'm too good with jukes. Oh, it hurts. Ah, dang it. I was so close with the jukes. Okay. There's a glitch that if you double tap her head, you can start moving the game. Watch. 1, 2. Ah, it worked. Because you weren't expecting me getting up so early. Hello, ladies. Oh, you want to give him grass? You want to give him grass? Well, how about I kill you first, okay? You know, we can sort a deal out. You know? Come at me. Scrub. No! Crap. Ah! I ain't stupid, girl. Oh, I'm clean with you. Ah! Can I close the door on her? Please. She's lagging behind. She's falling. Calling, God. Oh! You know, I think I already probably would have been unstunned. But, you know, for the culture. For the culture, you know. For the culture. That's the end game, right? That's the end of the game. There's more kids. Bro, that was a clean kill, you gotta be honest. Oh, I thought that was a player. Just watching me be stunned. Okay, ready? Double tap the head. Alright. Okay, where's the last guy at? She wasn't expecting me. But her body's still there. But washing. Wait, what? There's still more people? You gotta be kidding. Is there like one more guy left? Or like... But it will. Go. Let's go. I killed the hacker, boys. Hey, guys, that's still a win-win. Look at all the coins I got. Alright, I'll see you on the next one. I'm probably going to be filming again when my friend gets online. Because we're going to be making our own book 3. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one when we make book 3. Bye.